Pete the Cat, Out of This World by James Dean. This is another one of Miss Smith's favorite books. Also, note parents, all the references to like space people in this book is actually really kind of funny to me. It's a great day. Pete the Cat is going to space camp. Pete meets his bunkmate Glenn. As they unpack, there is an announcement.
Welcome to space campers. Please head to the classroom. Your mission begins now.
Time to suit up, says Pete. He and Glenn put on their uniforms and race to class. There are so many cool things to do and super neat things to see. Astronaut Tom and Chris talk about the trips they've taken, and they give sneak peeks into future space trips. Ooh, look, Mars and Earth and the Sun. It would be really rad to go into space, says Pete. I agree. The campers find out what it feels like to be an astronaut. They go into a zero gravity chamber. They ride rovers. They even build rocket. Pete's rocket flies very, very far.
Way to go, Pete!
Shouts Glenn. Look, Sally, Glenn. Next stop is Mission Control.
We have some exciting news, says Tom. Our next flight leaves today. We're going to the moon, and we have room for more.
Pete, do you want to go? Asks Sally. That would be awesome, says Pete. It's time to buckle up and settle into the space capsule. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off! Their ship speeds through space as they blast past the satellites and even spot a comet. Whoa! Tom and Sally have a surprise for Pete on his guitar. He plays a groovy song for them. Mission Control listens in. In no time at all, they arrive at the moon. They are ready to explore. The astronauts collect rocks and map out the moon's surface. Wow, that's so cool. Look how cool they are. Pete has a very, very important job to do, though. He straps on his pack and heads towards Mars. He takes a ton of pictures. Oh no, Pete. He's lost track of time. The moon is so far away. He has to make it back to the ship before it blasts off. Oh no. Pete made it just in time. Whoa! We were so worried. The astronauts head home. There's time for even a few more tunes. Pete sure knows how to make an entrance. Pete's trip to outer space was out of this world. Still, he's psyched to have his feet back on solid ground. Good job, Pete. Okay, honeybees, I hope you enjoyed that book. I did. I hope you have a groovy evening. Love you guys.